S. Marshall Eel.
Peace, fam. S. Marshall Eel right here. Just taking a little break, actually, and had some thoughts in regards to some artists that I've been kind of, observing, because I want y'all to succeed for real. As some of you know, I am one of the heads of Hip Hop Tallahassee. Shouts out to Rico the Champ and Mike Jack, who is the other part of Hip Hop Tallahassee, but actually Hip Hop Tallahassee is a community idea. Somebody got to be the lead, take the lead, right? So it just happened to be us. But I was just thinking, this is definitely a time where most artists are gearing up for 2019, seeing what worked in 2018, what didn't work, what direction you want to go now. And I'm just hoping that for the most part, people, or artists, should I say, are learning how to monetize their music, right? How to monetize your music, because that's what I'm finding. Like some that are online, that's a whole nother, a sad discussion. I can't believe how many artists in this area, Tallahassee, that are not online. But anyway, for those who are on the ball, you're online, but I notice a lot of you are not monetizing your music, meaning that you haven't put you're promoting your song, promoting your gifts, your talent, but you're not leading the people to find you, to either play your song in a way where every time they play it, you get paid, or stream your music. Those are the two main things right now. And so hopefully in 2019, that is something you guys need to seriously be thinking about. Every time you post, whatever you're posting, you should have some type of link or some type of hashtag to let people be able to find you, to where the monetizing aspect of your music career is available. So I just can't stress that enough. I want to see Tallahassee really make great moves and great gains. And so monetizing will benefit us all. We want artists here to be successful, to be able to live off their music. And so Hip Hop Tallahassee is an organization, certainly, that we are supportive of that, and we are going to support artists and try to help them get there to do that. And much bigger things, because I believe as the artists come together, as we organize, we can actually control our markets here. And so, so this is one of those times. I'm a music producer myself, so I have a instrumental album that I wanted to get out this year. I wasn't able to get out due to just a number of things, life, school, ministry, so forth. Even I went through a rebranding situation. So, if you find yourself like myself, in a situation like myself, don't stress it, because sometimes it just wasn't time, it wasn't meant. You want to just be in a good place where you can make your best music, and when the product is ready, it'll be ready. When our idea has come for its time, nothing can stop it, right? Nothing can stop it. So we want to enjoy the process. We want to enjoy the creative process, because not only you make better music, but you learn more about yourself and you become more with your product. And when that product is out, it's a good representation of you, and people love to connect to real human feelings. And so that's what you want. You want a real human experience when people listen to your music. So I just wanted to jump on here and try my new camera out at the same time. More live things, content will be coming, especially here and Hip Hop Tallahassee. Gonna be reaching out to some artists, sit down with me, we're gonna talk, chop it up, not just about music, but about life as well. You know, we're gonna help some people. So also look out for me, 2019. My instrumental album and smarshall.info. That's .info. S Marshall L. Yeah. Peace and love.